Yeah.
First I put this into this. Into this. Then I do like this. You can see they are grand. See, I'm spinning it carefully. If it is rocks, you use this. First you hold like this and do like this. That's all. See, you can see this hole. So if you put this in the hole and there will be other holes at the sides. And it will make them to go in and they will turn into like
Splits.
splits. Splits. Rock it's so hard. And it rock could also smash a tiny thing which is also soft. You should take little because if you do little it will go smoothly. If you do too much like this, it will not. You could get some mistakes or else something else will know.